Okay, so it's my turn to have a video about my um, electronics lab slash corner. So it's in my guest room basically, so slash home office. So sometimes I work from home. Electronics is not my primary job. Well, it's not my job, it's just a hobby. So yeah, let's get started. We'll go from right to left. So this is a desk uh, from IKEA, and I also have a set of shelves. So starting off, I have two analog oscilloscopes here. This one was given to me for free. It's working, but the combination of um, if you want to have both channels on, it's not possible. Um, I have checked the service manual for this, and I think it's a simple matter of changing an IC, but I never had the chance of going in and see. Plus, I don't have that much of experience, so I may mess it up, so I just leave it as it is. Second one is tele-equipment from the 70s. Uh, that is made in England, I think. It was working partially. I recapped some part of it. It's in a better shape now. I do get some problems every now and then triggering, but um, yeah, I never had the chance to troubleshoot it. And this is my PC based oscilloscope. I hope that one day I will get the digital one, but yeah, my PC, um, Q-tips, very important, a cheap soldering wire, bought for €1 together with flax. Basically I just got it for the rosin because I use it to make my own liquid flax. And yeah, I wanted to make a comparison video of these cheap solders with branded and one. So, but yeah, that's in the queue. My little dustbin, well, no, garbage box. Whenever yeah, I have small pieces to throw around. Fan for hot days, but also blowing the fumes away. My homemade soldering station with some flax. That's my ATX power supply. That's based, you can say by the name, it's based on a power supply from a PC. It works. Uh, this is a variable output. These are the set outputs, plus and minus 12 volts, 5 volts, sorry, 12 volts, 5 volts. Um, I have plans to add a USB output, but yeah. Also, there's no current limit on this, so I don't use it that often. I use this one more often. That's a well-known uh, step up, step down converter basically, and I've used two laptop power supplies as input. So its input is 40 volts now, and it gets up to 35, I think. Um, there are many of videos on YouTube about this, so I'm not going to make an analytical video, but yeah. This is my storage boxes, isopropyl alcohol, some more Q-tips, tip cleaner, tape, towel, brushes and cutters, various tools here. That's grease for um, that's lithium grease based, the lithium grease basically for audio reels and things like that. Tools, solder pump, screwdrivers, wire cutters, light bulb, different cleaning sprays, isopropyl alcohol, and that's service oil. That's a screen from a computer. I want to see if there's something I can do with that. Old hard drive, probably will go into an Xbox. Yep, that's IDE, so it will go in an Xbox original. My electric screwdriver, more tools, and pens, pencils, magnifying glass, cutters, whatever. More isopropyl alcohol in different containers for different uses. That's just water for my soldering station here. Okay, moving on, going upwards. On the left side I have this tool surface. I store different things. This is brushes, cleaning brushes, flashlights, scissors, some thermal paste, batteries, different items here, small screwdriver set, wire cutters, big screwdrivers, magnifying glasses, and here I have my other tools. This is for phone repair, different tools, small files, nothing here, well, a big relay, it's a huge relay. These are tools for solder, surface mount, and small screwdriver and bits. My hot air station, more screwdrivers, some computer stuff, cutters and PCB tools. My function generator, homemade. Well, it's based on I get this strange screen. I don't know what that means. If I press reset, it works. So that's from a kit in Banggood, and I made the case. This is another function generator. I have to get this out of the way. I got it from a scrapyard for almost free. This is a tool magnet, so some quick access for small tools. This is my soldering tray. Everything I need for soldering is here. Breadboards and projects and more screwdrivers. These are multimeter probes, banana leads, some batteries, component storage here. These are electrolytic capacitors, and these are more electrolytic capacitors, some wires, more electrolytic capacitors under here, strange screwdrivers like Torx and stuff, 1% tolerance resistors, not the best quality, Chinese, don't get fooled, but still. On the side here you can see some more capacitors, and that's an Arduino case. This assortment kit for Arduinos. Some more components here. These are capacitors. This is a cheap screwdriver. Don't really use it that often. It's crap, but no. It's this itchy thing you get when you get on eBay and see cheap stuff. You just buy it. Yeah, capacitors, different components, double-sided tape for cell phone repair, super glue, chip 1. This is my equipment for, what's that? For camera, that's tripods and stuff. Pliers, USB hubs and adapters. These are soldering irons and things associated with soldering bases, magnifying glass and helping hands, vise on the back there, computer stuff, more batteries, more cables. That's project boxes. Different projects are in here. Power supply. That's power wires. Sorry. IV wires, RCA, HDMI, optical. Some old computer accessories up there. Stuff from China, I think. Things I have not opened yet. Some Arduino sensors. Project boxes. Heat sinks. Cleaning towels, isopropyl, and different chemicals. This box on the very top there, it's full of hard drives. Old monitor. I think it's a working one. Laptop in its pieces. Upcoming power supply for my bench. Old hi-fi systems. I haven't decided what to do with them, and some other crap I don't remember up there. Okay. More storage here. Screws. How do you call this in English? Spacers. Some speakers and microphones. Fuses. Whatever. Toothpicks. Gloves. Small bags. Crap. Crocodile clips. Cutters and this cleaning brush. This is for opening holes and things like that. Gloves. I have some PCB boards in here. Flashlights, lighters, and these wires, and tweezers. That's an analog multimeter. I'm not using it that much. And basically, in my library. And something I forgot. Down here, it's my general storage area. That's my junk box. Old PS3s waiting to be repaired or mobbed or whatever. My Xbox collection waiting to be soft modded and get on eBay. And basically, that's it. That's my lab. I hope I didn't get you too dizzy. Talk to you next time.